Milwaukee. Not good. Not a good start. Jesus, there's not much to that one. Tiny little motor. Not even an actual enclosure or nothing for the gearbox. Same as the wee cheap Bosch one. See, this is why I have problems with Milwaukee. Motor assembly is gone on this jigsaw. This part here, not worth fixing. It's going to cost about 170 quid to change this here. Because it's brushless, no big surprise, you buy this whole assembly. Milwaukee, as you can see from these lines, had planned to sell this field and the controller separately, but then changed their minds and instead grouped them all together as one piece. So that there's actually not separate, you have to buy all that together. Same as everything else on here. Your tool holder that actually holds your jigsaw blade, all that there, that's all one piece. Part number 90, item number 90. All the wee shims, screws, packers, guide rails, the actual blade itself, holders, wee connector at the bottom, everything for actually holding the blade. All one piece, can't buy them separately. Only thing you can get is a wee plastic cover, that wee spring at the front, which just never goes, and a wee plastic boy you hold on to it, twist and turn to release the blade. You can buy that. Everything else, all one piece. So if any times your jigsaw, your Milwaukee jigsaw, won't hold on to the blade, that's it. You're not going to be fixing it. Same as everything else. Actual gearbox assembly, housing, again, all one piece. Even down to the bearings. There's your rotor. Can't buy the back bearing on its own from Milwaukee. You have to buy the whole rotor. Front bearing as well. Can't buy it. You have to buy the whole gearbox mount. So yeah, that's why I have a problem with Milwaukee. They picture all the parts, but they don't sell all the parts individually. They group them all together. So if you wanted to change your bearings and you just went and got the parts from Milwaukee, just the two bearings for the front and back of that rotor, you have to change the whole rotor, all them parts there, part of that whole housing, just for two bearings. And if anything goes wrong with your tool holder, apart from this plastic piece and that spring, you're not going to be fixing it. All this here, one complete part. So if your blade holder starting to get a wee bit slack, you can't even change the guide bushings or nothing. That's why I don't like Milwaukee. The size of that machine as well, the scale of it, it's all to make it look big and beefy, but inside that's a lot of empty space. €250 for that machine body only. Not worth it at all. And just in case you think it's an old machine, it's only 2020 and it's obviously done nothing. What a shame.